Hello guys, welcome to Pivotal Traders. So in the morning we made a published idea where we claimed that if the Bank Nifty opens gap up, which is the possibility depicted from the green line, that it will try to take some resistance at the red line and would take some support at the slanting slope and would expire within the range of 36,300 and 35,400. This was the expectation, and you can see that the current price where the Bank Nifty did open gap up and it did made a low, and that is because of the fact that whenever there is a gap up opening, many position which was previously taken as a bull would be scared off since it is an expiry, and we anticipate that some support would be taken at this slanting slope of a triangle on the higher time frame. Bank Nifty should expire within the black and the red line. And secondly, what has happened is let me just show you the open interest option chain. And in the option chain, what we have noticed is that 36,000 PE has taken considerable put writing, whereas there has been a sluggish increase in OI change of on the call side. So what we have done is I have taken a position where I have let me just show you if I can able to. So you can see here that I have taken a position where I have sold 36,000 PE and 36,200 CE. That was purely based upon this option chain data, and we anticipate that the Bank Nifty should be hovering around these levels and we can gain maximum benefit out of the theta decay, since it is Wednesday and the expiry would be today on the Wednesday because of the holiday tomorrow. So I'll be updating you further in this regard. And also a very interesting thing which has taken place, which I always liked upon and shared upon, is that the blue line, which is depicting 36,000 PE, has witnessed a considerable increase and a steady increase, which is very much conducive to the fact that 36,000 would be a good support for Bank Nifty to expire. I'll be updating you further with my positions. So guys, further a very interesting thing has happened, that the orange line, which is denoting let me just adjust this. So the orange line, which is denoting 36,000 CE, has taken lead in the multi-strike OI analysis. So we'll be closely watching this as we proceed, and we'll be looking towards the fight between these two strike prices of 36,000 CE and PE. So you can see that 36,000 CE is taking lead here with the orange line, and let's see how it turns out, because on the option chain we saw that there has been a considerable jump in the put writing, and here we're witnessing that the calls are again leading the position. So let's see how it rolls over. So now the update is that it did took some support at the slanting line, and it should now cross this level, this mark level. It should cross this level so as to prove to the point that this support line, the slanting line, is an important factor. And I will be looking to close my position if there has been a violent move and Bank Nifty makes a movement like this and goes low down like this, or it comes all the way to this level and takes some support at the gap filling and goes up. So I'll be watchful around these level and within this box. So let's see how it trades further. So guys, you can see that the Bank Nifty pierced the expected support line, and I told you that I would be looking to square off my puts. So I have squared off my puts, as you can see in the screen, and now I am shorting call 36,200 as a continuing trade. Let's see how it turns out. So guys, the Bank Nifty has turned bearish, and so is the case. We trade according to the facts, and the fact is it has pierced the support line, and now I am looking it as Now I'm looking it as a bearish in nature. So I've squared off all my position and tucked in around 6,000 rupees, and now I'll be looking forward to some new opportunities. As you can see that the reason of squaring off the position was that the orange line, which is denoting 36,000 CE, took a lead, and then currently it is taking a lead where 36,000 put writing has gone down, where it has consistent maintained its consistency of being on the upper edge. So this is the case, and we trade according to the current scenario, and this is the scenario, and we'll be looking for new opportunities right now. So guys, since we have maintained the position of being bearish in nature, I have sold 36,000 CE, and to hedge my position I have bought 36,400 CE, as you can see from the position screen. So let's see, and now the resistance point should be the point where previously it was perceived to be taking support. So the slanting slope, the shaded area should be the point where the bank nifty should hover around. Let's see how it goes further. As you can see that the intensity of increase in the call writing have is so much increased that you can see the gap is just increasing with the time, and that is why we have more confidence now in shorting 36,000 CE levels. And that's the case, as you can see that my positions have also increased above 10,000 K, and the trades are going very smooth today. It should be a very easy expiry. So I've quickly booked my position, and we are net at around 11,400. And the reason was that I can see that the bank nifty is at 15 minutes 20 moving average, and that is considered to be a very important factor to me. And I don't want to take any risk for bank nifty to taking support at this point and then taking a spike, which can increase the gamma and also can deteriorate my positions. So guys, you can see that this is the experience we have, and this was anticipated that 20 moving average is very good point of support and resistances, and that is the case here. You can see that a spike has come here. So if had it been the case that I kept my positions open, there would not have been much difference, maybe around 2,000 less than the 11,000 currently. But the fact is we should avoid these circumstances on expiry day, because anything can happen around these levels. So guys, the further update in the bank nifty is that the call writing is taking lead, and it has moved to a point where we can resolutely say that 36,000 would be a tough price to jump off. And we have also seen that the bank nifty on the other side has taken support at the 20 moving average, and now what we want to do is we will just sit idle and we will wait for bank nifty to take a violent move like this, somewhat around this, and make a move like this, and then we will be shorting again 36,000 CE. And this is because the case that the call writers are very much active at this strike price, and they will lift off and they will do stop loss hunting, and they will try to trap the option buyers, and then we will be sitting very patiently to just capture that moment and then short it again. So let's wait for the time and let's see how the movement happens. Currently we are doing very good. All our analysis are going very fine. It has been a very easy expiry. So let's see, now it's almost 11:30. Let's see how it turns further. So guys, I haven't taken any fresh positions, but a very interesting thing has happened in bank nifty, that a kind of inside bar has formed up, and you can see an inside bar has formed up on 45 minutes candle, and precedingly a bearish trend is being followed up. And if we switch on to 15 minutes chart, we can see that if this is the range, then 1 2 3 4 5 inside bar candles, and now confirmation of a bearish trend has taken place. So now I'm waiting still patiently to wait for a point where the option premiums are lucrative enough for me to sell 36,000 CE. So guys, you can see now it has been 1 o'clock past, and we haven't witnessed stop loss hunting yet, and I'm just patiently waiting for it, because that's what where the prices of the premium would go up, and then there I will be looking to short 36,000 CE. So I'm just waiting patiently. It might happen the case that it will just break this resistance point. It will break this resistance point and come all the way over here, and then as soon as I see a red 15 minutes candle, then I will again short it to spiral it downwards. Let's see how it works. So guys, you can see that I have taken a position, and a strong reaction did take place near the black line, and I have opened a position where I have shorted 36,000 CE as I depicted before, the reason of it. And now you can see that my trades are going well, and currently the 36,000 CE is trading at around 58 rupees. So I'll be covering at around 25 to 30 rupees. So let's wait and watch. So guys, that was the case, and it was a very beautiful expiry, and everything went very nice, and we did close below 36,000 CE, and there has been a very considerable option premium decay, and that was enjoyed a lot. And if we see our performance of the published idea, that was well within the range which was predicted. Let's play it out. You can see we ended up within the range of the red and the black line, and we also claim that it would try to take some support at the slanting line, and that was the case. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.